So we can see some systems on shark. So first of all, we can start with the digestive system. So the simple thing, digestive system include alimentary canal as well as the digestive gland. You can see in the picture itself. In a simple form, the digestive system is made. So the digestive system is having alimentary canal as well as the digestive gland. A long tube-like structure starts with an alimentary canal followed by a digestive gland. So it starts from the mouth. Alimentary canal start with the mouth. So you can see the mouth, it is somewhat crescentic or crescent in shape, and it is located on the ventral side of the head. So it is followed by the buccal cavity, and which leads into pharynx, esophagus, gallbladder, liver, like that. So the mouth lead into buccal cavity. So the buccal cavity contains the tongue, and the pharynx receive the opening of pair of spiracles and 5 pair of gill pouches on the sides. That is, on the pharynx it is like that, 5 pair of gill pouches. Okay, and then comes the esophagus followed by the pharynx. You can see the esophagus down towards the pharynx. Okay, so below the esophagus you can see a pointed like a gallbladder. Pointed gallbladder is seen below the esophagus of the shark. So there are these two are separated by some kind of sac. Two sacs are there. So gallbladder may be separated by a two sac-like structure. Okay. So after that, liver is seen. In the diagram itself, it is very clear. After the this kind of pouches, liver is seen. So very much important. So it has many role. Liver has many role in the shark digestive system, and it is followed by cardiac, means stomach, then bile duct is there, and pancreatic duct is there. Okay, so the intestine is lined with some kind of mucous membrane. Mucous membrane is folded to form a valve-like structure. So followed by that, the intestine lead into different kind of openings, rectum, which open into cloaca in the later stage after the liver. So liver is located at the junction of cardiac as well as the esophagus. Is between the cardiac stomach and esophagus. The liver is formed of two lobes. The two lobes are united anteriorly and free posteriorly. You can see some of the scroll valve also. A kind of valve is seen, that is called as a scroll-like structure called as a scroll valve. So after that pancreas, you can see different kind of sac called as a blind sac is present. Blind sac is present below the base, below the means base of the pancreas, nearer to the bursa. Okay, so blind sac, the esophagus open into stomach. So and you can see below the pyrolic stomach there are separated by a short blind sac is there. Okay, the stomach really leads into the intestine. So so mostly the intestine, after the intestine, you can see a kind of a valve in the sideways. The B diagram is a scroll valve, very important. So scroll valve is attached to the inner wall of the intestine. It is attached to the inner wall of the intestine, and the other edge is rolled up on itself longitudinally. Okay, in cross section it look like a spring. It look like a spring. So it has two function. It increases the area of absorption, and it prevent the rapid flow of food through the intestine. So every, not only in a scolion, in every part of the digestive system when we are taking, we can see it may increase area of absorption. So in the mammals it is very much specialized. Absorption is by a finger-like projection called villi. So villi is an important process. Here it is nothing but scroll one. So then comes the digestive gland. Digestive gland means a shark has two digestive gland, namely liver and the pancreas. So liver is located at the junction of the esophagus and cardiac stomach. The liver is formed of two lobes. The two lobes are united anteriorly. That is the same thing. The liver has three function, important function. It secrete biles, it store glycogen and fat, it destroy worm of RBC. That is the role of the liver. So pancreas of course, pancreas is located on the loop of the stomach. It is bilobed. The pancreas is a bilobe. Pancreatic duct arising from the pancreas open into the intestine opposite to the bile duct. That is the thing which you are seeing in the pancreas. And what is the physiology of the digestion? Very simple physiology of the digestion in the shark. Shark is a carnivorous, feeding on fishes, crustacean, molluscan, etc. So the teeth prevents them to escape from prey, of course. Digestion start in the stomach and it is completed in the intestine. So it is starting from the esophagus, it is starting from the mouth, then followed by the esophagus, then it is concluding or it is stopping, ending in the intestine. Mostly absorption occurs in the intestine, and it is having a main part called as a scroll wall, where it may just extend the area of absorption. That is very important. The scroll wall help absorption. The scroll wall help absorption. That is about the digestion process. Very simple one, very simple to learn. Thank you.